deleted my Amazon lines. Let me go to next on the list is Google. A lot of those plays that I went over with you guys, they didn't have gaps, but you also want to make sure you check for gaps pre-market also. That's one of my favorite things to do. 121 Google. You go in the daily and just look for gaps. There's no gaps on this. Let's see. This is crazy. Let's see. Damn. Let me see. So we had two highs, 201 and 201.42. There's nothing else. 201 and 201.42. I'll do 3 minutes. 22 resistance. Wow. Broke that 200, held to resistance. Created a new all-time high too, actually. Yeah, new all-time high. Gap below. Let's see, clear drawing set. Next date I have is 1:30. Let me go to this first. So even with this, right? Perfect example. We did 121 right here. 121, yeah, 121 right here. So most people would say I'm not gonna play Google again till we get back up to this high. And not true. You could just play we came consolidated, came all the way down, broke above, came up, came back down. We're showing that we're striding for new highs now. Now we made this high above this date on the 27th. Now pre-market, we break this high of the prior days. Now on the third day we have a move. So you don't have to wait for this level right here for your plays. Let me see. So this area, you could say we have triple top. Let's see what happens. Check back before I go on. We actually have a resistance right here at 199. Almost missed that one. Let's see. 199. See what happens. Boom. Let's go to 40. Yeah. Nice move. Decent move. Hit that resistance that came all the way down. All the way down. Look clear. It's crazy. That's Google. Another one that don't give plays too often, but definitely sometimes more than Apple and Amazon. So the next date I'm gonna go to is August 8th. August 8th. On a 4-hour time frame. This is the prior day. Kind of a 1, 2, 3 triple top. That's good. see what we got. Let's see. 1. Wow. 199 flat. Make sure though. Alright. This is a nice flat top right here. Broke out, came down, held as support, rejected this next resistance. Let's see what happens a few minutes later if we come back down again. Yep, rejected, came down, held the high as support. Then we come back up this day too. Break out. Still respecting this resistance.